Yo, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be switching out the strat. I will be doing boomerang monkey, bomb shooter, and what is it called, the sub, cause like that's how I get camo lead detection. So yeah, okay, let's just see if we can upgrade any of our monkeys. Can you upgrade any of them? Okay. Okay, let's just check on the sub. Let's check the sub. Okay. Yo, I can waste 2750 XP just for this. Okay, I'll just do it. I had to, because then that's how I would get all of them chips. What else do I gotta buy? Because okay, let's just buy these monkeys, the magic monkeys. Okay, let's buy super monkey, ninja monkey. Okay, that's all I can afford.
Okay, how to make this video.
So yeah guys, let's get into a casual battle. I don't want to play ranked battle or else I'll lose my win streak. Let me show you guys so that it won't be like I'm lying about my win streak. How do I go to win streak again? Well yeah, it's here. I must press here. Then look, current win streak 8. So I can't lose my win streak, guys. So I have to do in casual battle. So yeah, that's the only way I do not lose my win streaks. Yeah, so yeah, guys. Okay. Nah, I don't want to play Dino Graveyard. Okay, let's play Santa's Time. On my last opponent, bro, you're being aggressive. Okay, let's just press battle. Okay, here rewards are unlocked in order using hero points and monkey money. Get them all to unlock an alternate version of that hero. So yeah guys, let's get into the match. But since it's loading, I'm gonna pause. Okay guys, it's just finished loading right there. Okay. First, what you wanna do is get this. But I hope he doesn't send balloons at me so quick, because the only way I'm not gonna die is by buying Bionic Boomerang. I found out the strategy that is a little bit OP, so that is a little bit OP, so yeah, okay. He is sending me balloons. What am I gonna do? Tower boost. Okay, Bionic Boomerang, I'm fine now. There's no way that you will be able to kill me right here, so yeah, there's no. Why do I hear people be screaming outside, bruh? Bro, I actually lost health. Nice, but it's fine, I can lead to that. Now what you wanna do is start ecoing right here. Okay, let's eco because I'm really late on eco. Wait, but I have more eco than him because he's not ecoing. Yeah, he's gonna struggle a bit with that. Okay, nah. Bro, I don't want any of that passing my defense. Bro, bruh, you know I have Bionic Boomerang. Classic players. Let's just continue echoing. Like, he's fine. It's only me that could die. If she's gonna actually want to rush me. So yeah. What I wanna do right now is buy this guy right here. The Kylie Boomerang, because he's the dude that can pop lead balloons. So if he's sending leads at me, he won't be able to kill me easily. Okay, let's continue echoing. Okay, continue echoing. Yeah, he probably can deal with greens, right? Since he got 3 of those, I think he can probably deal with greens. Bro, sir, why are you trying that? Okay, let's send greens for now. Because look, he can deal with the greens easily. I'm just sending these for eco. I'm not trying to kill him. And anyways, why is he even sending balloons? Because he already has what is it called? He already has first blood. Does he not wanna go late game? No, I wasted all my tower boosts because of this guy. Let's just at least get up to 800 eco if I am able to. Okay, now what I wanna do is put down what is it called, a submarine, and buy the top path. Submergent support. Okay, let's go. Okay. Wait, he doesn't even have camel lid detection and he's leaving it like that. Oopsies, I didn't mean to send those pinks. I'm just warning him because, like, he's not even taking care of his defense. He just doesn't care. He doesn't even have camel lid. And so far I can see he has the tack shooter and the dartling gunner. Like, dude, do you actually think you're gonna survive with only that? Well, we don't know. We'll see at the end. See, I'm still fine with only 2 boomerang monkeys. 2 boomerang monkeys, and you has like 5 of those. You don't even have that good lead detection. The only hero that is taking care of that is your Gwendolyn hero. Talking about heroes, I'm actually gonna put down this hero right here. So yeah, I just was saying hello to my father because he just came from work. So yeah, um, okay, um, and by the way, guys, don't forget to say Happy Father's Day to your fathers because today is Happy Father's Day. So yeah, you better say Happy Father's Day to your fathers. Like, yeah, you have to because those are your only fathers. But why am I even talking about fighters now? We're busy playing Blue City Battles 2. I mean, I was about to say Blue City Battles 5, but there's no Battles 5. Yeah, okay, now he's rushing me with those. Okay, I think 765 eco is enough for now. Because I need to build up on my defense. Like, my defense is not that good. Let's just wait to get 3,400. What is it called? 3,400 and 3,400 coins. Is that what I'm supposed to call it? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's buy that. Okay, let's continue ecoing. Okay, 800 eco. That's fine. Cause we're getting a Moab soon, and I don't even got bomb shooters. Like, I'm way behind. Okay, Moab Mauler. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's buy heavy bombs. Heavy bombs. Okay. Yeah, we got camo detection. The only camo detection he has is that, and if I send camo lids, he's gonna die. Okay, let's just warn him with camo lids. Bro, I'm warning you, I'm not gonna try to kill you. Yo, he got that overdrive. The overdrive? Bro, my Wi-Fi is so fine, and it's still saying that I am disconnecting. I'll unpause when the game connects me back to this. Okay, guys, I just got connected. Bruh, as soon as I start recording, it just gets me disconnected again. I'll unpause when I'm connected again. Okay, guys, I'm back. It loaded me back in finally. Like, it took so long just to load me back. My opponent disconnected. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. As you guys can see, I got a tier 4 top upgrade of my Boomerang monkey. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.